In this example, I'm going to show how you can do both paraphrasing and quoting from different sources. This is a bit of a review from before, but nonetheless it shows how to do it. So here you see where I have written my own words which summarize ideas from Greenspan and Benderly, 1997 is the date of the publication. So I have a citation for these words, and that's all I need for that. And I also need the reference at the end. So the reader knows that this is paraphrasing because there's no quotation marks. Now there's a continuing section here where I'm going to quote a different article, a different author, Candle, and here I've highlighted in yellow the actual words that Candle wrote, and you'll notice that those words are have quotation marks before and after them. And there's two different quotes here, so there needs to be two different locations. And furthermore, I want you to notice at the very end there's a dot dot dot, and there's also a dot 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 at the end of the other one. And what that means is that what Candle originally wrote, I've only taken part of a sentence. There's more that I've left out. So the dot 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 means extra stuff follows. And finally, in my reference section, I have references for both Greenspan and Benderly and for Candle. So here's the reference for Greenspan and Benderly, 1997. And here's the reference for Candle, 1989. So those references provide the information the reader needs in order to go look for himself or herself in the original source material if they are interested further in what I've written. And finally, I've done the style of references here in APA, the American Psychological Association. You might use a different method of indicating references. You may use them in footnotes, for example, at the bottom of each page, and there's other styles in which you can help the reader find the source material. But what's important here is we help readers know which are the author's ideas, my ideas in this case, in this paper, versus ideas that come from other sources, and identify where those sources can be found. So we give a citation in the paper, and then we give the full reference in the bibliography or the references section at the end of the paper.